Okay, this video today, we're going to go over the basics of TPO roof install. And hopefully this video will help you decide what's best for your property. Obviously, there are a lot of different types of insulation boards that can be installed. We elected to go with the ISO board, 2 1/4 inches. We're going to install 2 layers, which brings it up to the R30 requirement for the building code. Okay, once we have the ISO board properly fastened down to the roof decking, we then apply the TPL membrane. And in this process, we are doing the fully adhered method. And what we do is we apply glue to both the bottom side of the TPL membrane as well as the isolation board. And basically, we allow a little bit of time for it to actually begin to activate before we apply it down. Okay, once we apply the TPL membrane, it's very important that we roll it with this heavy roller, which assures that there's a positive, strong bond down to the insulation board right below. Okay, so once we have the TPL membrane fully adhered down, now we want to make sure we weld all the seams properly so we can get the proper seal. So often I see so much water ponding on top of the roofs, and we solve that problem by making sure that we install the tapered ISO board at the roof drains, which are the scupper boxes. So as you can see, it's well tapered down. That will allow the water to dissipate much better. So as you see here, a lot of roofers will actually caulk around there, which is not the proper method, because you'll get cracking eventually and there will be water penetrating at that area. We use a pitch pocket where it actually gets filled with a rubberized material which hardens, and that will prevent any penetration of water, especially during the extreme temperature changes of expansion and contraction. All right, I want to bring to your attention today the importance of sealing the curb of the rooftop units. So as you can see here, we properly flashed it, and we also installed the corner, and we heated down all the seams to make sure we have the best seal properly, and we will top it off with the termination bar. Okay, I want to talk about the importance of properly installing the TPO on the walls. And as you can see, after it's completely adhered down, we will drape it over the very top and prep that for the wall cap. And then on the very bottom, it's welded down as well. It's very important that the proper breather vents are installed on flat roofs, and this allows the hot air to escape underneath the insulation board. And it also will prevent leaking in the wintertime from condensation being built up. All right, once we're completely done with the roof, it is imperative that we properly probe all the seams to assure that all the seams are welded properly. Okay, our video today covered a lot of very important questions that our commercial roofing customers have, but this was only a very small part of the total picture. Now, for more information, just reach out to us. We will be happy to help.